What's up, y'all? So in this video I'm going to be talking to you about my MPGs that I've been getting for the last few months that I've had the truck. I've had the truck for about three or 4 months, since mid-April. And so I know I did a MPG initial review for the truck when I first got it, but I've put on about 5,500 miles since then. And so I just wanted to go over the fill-ups and what I've been getting based off of using the app Fuely. Alright, so how many miles logged? 65 miles so far on the app. My average MPG calculated, alright, not going off the computer. I'll get into, what I think about the computer here in a sec, but 17.5 miles per gallon. I gotta use my cheat sheet because I filled up 14 times. I want to make sure I get y'all some good info. 14 total logs. Spent roughly $1,100 so far, and used 363 gallons. So it's pretty cool what the app can do. But that's pretty much the summary. Best have been 22.8, worst 13.9 miles per gallon. So I'm just gonna go over the 14. Starting in May 3, average MPG was 18.5. The next was 17.4, 18.1, 22.8, 13.9, 18.2, 17.3, 17.8. On that one, the computer was 2.6 MPG off. My July 2nd fill-up was 16.6. And all these are hand calculated. The computer was off by 2.4. And when I say computer's been off, every fill-up, the computer's told me that I've gotten better MPGs than what I've really gotten. All these that I'm letting you know of right now. July 10th, 16.5. July 19th, 17.3. And the computer's off by 2.6. Next fill-up was also 17.3. Computer's off by 2.4. And then last two, 16.2 and 17.5 that I just filled up. All right, so I drive roughly 450 miles per week. I daily drive my truck. I drive roughly 60-40% city to highway to city. So I drive roughly 60% highway, 30% or 40% city. So modification. So the truck, all stock. Suspension is stock. I really have not done anything to the truck that would increase or decrease the fuel economy, such as I've changed the oil. I put Rotella T6. I changed out the differential fluid with full synthetic mobile 175/90. Other than that, those are the only things that might increase or decrease the fuel economy of the truck. I haven't done anything to the motor, stock intake, no tunes, stock tires, the 275/70 R18 chrome wheels, and so yeah, it's pretty much a stock truck. Good baseline of what these trucks can get. Now, the way I drive the truck, because that's also a factor of MPGs, right? I'm not really gentle on it. At lights, I'm not full pedal to the ground at all. But in any case, I don't drive the truck very gentle. All right. I live in North Carolina. So it's been relatively very hot here. I'm talking 90 degrees, base 90 to 95. But with the, humidity, the heat index is roughly 100. It's been like that for the past 2 months. Pretty much every fuel tank that I've had, I've filled it up and put in a dose of power service. the fuel additive that you can put in these diesel motors. I like the additive. It's just more so peace of mind. I've done it every fill up, you know, putting in that additive, making sure the injectors are lubed and everything is, it just helps. It just helps. Doesn't need it every fill up. No, you don't need to throw in any additive every fill up. Do I recommend throwing in additive every once in a while? Yeah, absolutely I do. I think anyone would. Does it need it, period? No. Just keep up with your maintenance. These trucks will last a long time, which is why, you know, we buy these trucks in the first place. Yeah, that's pretty much the overall results of my MPGs so far in the truck. So I've averaged 17.5 the past 6,500 miles, and I think it'll get better the more the engine breaks in, transmission, the more I get some miles. But I do know it's going to go straight down when I put some bigger tires and level the truck. I know that already. Everything that I have right now is only pretty much stock. So if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, see ya.